Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a demo account on Tradingview. It doesn't matter whether you are a forex trader, crypto trader or stock trader, it's going to work for you whichever one you are. First, you need to create a Tradingview account. Check the description below to get a link to register if you don't have an account already. Once register and verify your account, go to products and then click on chart. This will prompt you to the chart dashboard. Over here, stock screen, pin editors, strategy tester, trading panel. Click on the trading panel. After click on it, you will see this pop out. On this page, you will see all the platforms available which you can connect your account, your Tradingview account on, and then start trading without leaving the Tradingview dashboard. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be connecting on paper trading. This over here. Click on paper trading and then connect. Confirm the connection of your account. Voila, you have just successfully connected your paper trading account to your Tradingview platform. You will be given a paper money of $100,000 which you can use to trade anytime you want. To place a trade, move your cursor to the chart screen and then right click on your mouse key. On the list you have, you will see a trade. Hover on it, then you will see whether to sell or to buy. If you click on any of this, it will activate the trade for you instantly, but in this case it will be without take profit or stop loss. For the sake of discipline, I will recommend you create a new order so that you can be able to set your stop loss and take profit as you are entering the trade. You can also change the unit of the asset you are trading, but first thing first, you need to select whether you want to sell or you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy. In this case, without analyzing too much, I will say this is where my stop loss will be, so I copy that and I'm posting it under this area, which is where we have stop loss. Then I will call this area my take profit. Then I will paste this also under the take profit area. I will change the unit to, let's say, 3,000. Then you can place this trade to buy or to sell. I mean, we are buying actually. Don't forget you can use market order or limit order, but in this case I use limit order. So you can see we are on trade and you can see where our stop loss is and where our take profit is. You can always drag this around to reset your take profit or stop loss. Then you will click on modify to approve that. I will cancel this so that we can check our trade under the paper trading dashboard. Here is our trade. I'm already losing 0.17. Oh, 20 is changing. You can see what we are losing already about the trade we are on to. At the same time, you can modify this and change things that you set up there, whether to change the stop loss or take profit. And you can also cancel at the same time. When you cancel, there will be a change on your fund, the money you have on this account. You can see, but I will close this trade for you to see what it look like. The trade will be closed and you can see we have some mark there, and you can see my money over here are being reduced. That's because I closed this trade at a loss. You can come to history to check your trading history, and you can come to order also to check orders you have made. You can also check your account history as well. Then you can come to trading journal to check what you have done so far with your account. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about trading and cryptocurrency in general, click the subscribe and like this video. To get better at your trading strategy, watch this video at the top right corner.